Hey Modern Fragrance community, today I'm going to be doing a quick review on the Brahmanol aroma chemical by Symrise. Brahmanol, or tetramethyl 3-cyclopentene butanol, is an alcohol compound that's commonly used in the development of sandalwood accords. Using Brahmanol, you'll notice a creamy, waxy, nutty sandalwood profile. It hosts a soft, warm diffusion, making this very useful for sandalwood reconstructions and impressions. For me personally, this scent evokes a feeling of being fresh out of the shower, confident and ready to take on the day. To dilute this aroma chemical, you can use perfumer's alcohol or dipropylene glycol. Brahmanol is insoluble in water. The recommended usage sits between 0.5 and 10% of your total concentration. This particular aroma chemical doesn't pose many risks, but always make sure you read your SDS or MSDS information before handling any aroma chemical ingredients. You can find them on your source's website. Important Msds notes include, but are not limited to, acute toxicity, dermal, category 5, meaning it may be harmful in direct contact to the skin, and a flash point of 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 93.3 degrees Celsius. In conclusion, Brahmanol by Symrise has quickly become a favorite in my collection by adding a soft, creamy body to personal recipes. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.